Hello everyone, welcome to this class. You are given this equation to look for P. First thing you are going to do is put the like terms at one part. So you have P plus 1 is equal to P. So let's move P to the other side of the equation. You have 1 is equal to P minus P and 1 is equal to 0. At this point, you find out that P is totally out of the equation. So there is nothing we are solving out for. So this equation does not have solution. You can see this and you see people trying to manipulate and come up with something, but the reality is that there is no solution to this question because the P we are solving for has vanished. Though there are some cases where you can say, what if P is infinity? We know that infinity plus 1 is still infinity, but that will not be the case here because the P has vanished. It would have been the case of infinity if we end up dividing a number by 0 or some other case, but in this case, there's no solution to P. Thank you. I'll see you in the next class.